Here for today. Sandero gets a break. Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, let me apologize for taking so long to get the next video out. It's been a hectic December and beginning of January, so happy new year to all of you out there. I hope you had a safe and joyous festive season and everything is good for the new year. Let's get on to what we're actually here for today. Sandero gets a brake upgrade. So I've got myself a set of EBC brakes, which I will show you just now. We're gonna go fit them along with some yellow stuff pads. So join me and let's get this brake upgrade done.
Let's get started. So we're going to start now with the installation of the EBC brakes. I'm here with Shabir, who's going to be doing the brakes installation for me. EBC and seeing any sort of clearance issues we have, or if we need to just fit and carry on. Shabir, how important is it to make sure that you have the right disc size for your vehicle?
Brake?
Yeah.
This size must be the exact size, otherwise going to touch against the caliper bracket, and then we want that.
Okay.
It's very important to measure the size before.
As you can see, that pad is quite far gone. I don't know if you can actually see it, but what we do is when we take it off, we will actually have a look. Okay, so the disc is off. As you can see, there we go. So we've got this would have had to go away for skimming in any case if we were to keep these discs. As you can see there, it's got that nice ridge on the edge, on the inner edge as well as the outer edge. So yeah, it's good I'm replacing these discs in any case. So as you can see, this pad over here that I'm holding in my hand is worn out more than the inner one, and that's because the way the disc was worn out. Let's compare the new pads we've got versus the old ones and the old brackets and everything, and see how they fit together and see if it is correct. Shabir, is that a perfect match, or do we have an issue?
No, it's perfect.
Perfect match.
Perfect match.
Okay.
Everything is right.
So what I'm going to do is, if you guys are looking for a set of EBC brakes and pads, I will link Renbahn, who is Leon Bosman's company, down in the link below. Reach out to him if you want a set of these. Let's get further on. Let's get. What's the importance of cleaning the hub before you install a new brake disc?
You have to clean it properly, sand it down so that your disc can sit properly. Just don't sit skew on properly.
So you can have an issue with scraping and vibrations.
Correct.
Okay. So you have it, guys. Make sure you clean your hubs up properly before replacing your discs. Okay, so we got the EBC brake discs out, and as you can see on the box, it says the right hand side. Now make sure that when you install these, you install on the right side, because with rolled and slotted discs, it can only go one way, it can't go both ways. And also, you need to make sure you clean these discs. So what's the importance of cleaning your disc before you put it on?
Clean it so that there is no residue on, no oil or other. dust or anything on it before you put it on.
Okay, so we're cleaning this up with some brake cleaner. Now, Shabir is a BMW mechanic, so we've got BMW Group brake cleaner here. Works on stuff too. Let's get it sorted. Okay, so we're fitting the discs now. Doesn't that just look sexy for you? Nice black disc. Slotted. Dimple dyed, nitro meth coated EBC discs. Being installed in the Renault. I think this is probably the only Renault in South Africa, Sandero rather, that has these discs on. And like I said, if you want to get yourself a set of these discs, I'll link the description and the link to order yourself a set from Leon Bosman at Renbahn in Burgundy Estate, down in the description box. I'll also flash it across the screen right about now. What I was going to do initially was get myself a second set of calipers and spray the calipers a nice black with a red logo on it. But fuck my life, dudes. 8,500 from Renault agents and it's not available anywhere else. So yeah, that will have to happen next time, and we'll make sure we spray it till it suits these beautiful discs that we've got on here. Okay, so Shabir is cleaning up the caliper bracket now for us so it doesn't look so dirty and so grimy. And what are you using to clean the...
You can either use the brake cleaner or you can use some engine cleaner and obviously wash it off to make it dry properly.
Okay, so what are you using at the moment?
I use engine cleaner, interceptor.
Okay. Shabir, do you have any clearance issues with the new discs?
No, it's perfect fit.
Perfect fit. So the discs are fitted, we're fitting the caliper bracket back on now and that's all tightened up. So we're going to put the pads on the calipers and make sure that everything is nicely seated. We're just tightening up the caliper, the disc now, make sure that that is all nice and tight so we don't get any issues with it coming loose when we drive. Shabir, how long do we need to drive this car to put the brakes in?
200 kilometers with no harsh braking.
So
yeah.
200 km no harsh braking and easy driving as well, no?
Easy driving, no, yeah, just no hard braking at all for 200 kilometers and then you can go crazy off it.
It doesn't release evenly when you take it off.
Okay.
So then it just stays to the one side and then it starts eating the pad.
Okay, so that's the reason why that pad.
Why the one is thinner than the other.
So okay, so guys, you need to install new brakes. Make sure you're peeling off your locator pins,
Caliper spring clip.
caliper spring clips. And these pins over here, these ones, make sure that they are nicely clean. Otherwise, you're not going to get an even bite on your pads, and you're going to sit with the same issue that I had with it only wearing off on the one side and not both sides. Be sure to go in and look at that. Some yellow stuff pads on the black nitro meth coated discs. So pity we couldn't spray the calipers to make it suit. But you know what? That's for next time. We will get those calipers sprayed and we will have a nice looking caliper on there. Who knows, I might even go Brembo's next. Okay,
Sliding pin.
so Shabir, what are you putting on here at the moment?
We're using the HEE anti-seizing paste on the sliding pin so that the caliper can move forward and back freely without any seize, and then your pad will be in evenly both front and back.
And it's very important to do that.
It's very important, yes.
We're ready to do the left side, so we're going to take this wheel off. There's nothing that's different on this side, so the magic of editing of 1, 2, 3. Here we go, all done, fitted, brake pads on, and we're good to go. I've been on the car for 3 days now. I've driven around about 120, 130 kilometers on these discs, and trying to bed them in. Shabir did say 150 to 200 kilometers to bed them in nicely, so that when we do hammer on them, that they actually take. So far the braking has been a little bit different. I do feel a difference in the braking force, and so I do feel a difference in the braking force with this new brakes that I've got on. The whole setup with the EBC brakes does make a difference. So let's see how it turns out. Let's get this brakes bedded in properly, and yeah, hopefully we'll have some fun times with these brakes.
I actually did 150 kilometers and not 140 as I said early on. Driving up and down to work and doing some odds and ends and some errands. I managed to rack about 150 kilometers in 3 days since installing the discs. And as Shabir said early on in the video, that we do need to have at least 150 to 200 kilometers of bedding in before we hammer the brakes or put them to the test. Now I am going to be doing some long distance traveling this weekend, so I will test the brakes out thoroughly and probably do a follow-up video for you guys and let you know how the EBC brakes performs under long distance traveling with a load in the car. If you guys want to have your brakes upgraded to EBCs, I will leave the link down below for Leon as well as his email address. You can get in touch with him and he can source you a set of EBC brakes for your vehicle as well. And should you want it fitted or have any BMW or in actual fact any car servicing that you need to do that's out of warranty and you want to find a decent BMW mechanic or a all-round mechanic rather, I'll leave Shabir's details over here as well as down in the box below. So that's it from me for now. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, just one other thing. Let me know in the comments below what you think of me splitting the channel and having a separate channel for the Sandero upgrades and mods and anything to do with the Sandero from this channel. If you guys think it's worthwhile and if you guys think that it's a good idea, leave your comments below and I will read through all of them. I do read through all your comments and I do respond to those that I can respond to, and thank you once again.